Okay, so quick look at Bitcoin this morning. Just go and mark out this weekly high, as that's appropriate to where price is at the moment and a nice level to be using. You can see the environment that Bitcoin's in. If you take these weekly highs and lows and draw your levels, you can see how price reacts. If I could draw that straight, you can see how price reacts around weekly highs and lows. Once we nab up, nice move to the downside. Once we nab below, nice move to the upside. We take a weekly high, move to the downside, and now we're taking out a weekly high, and we're in this ranging environment. So let's go down into the daily, take a closer look at some structure. What I like the look of Bitcoin is, if we can take this high, I'm just going to double that out to make it thicker. We have resistance here, resistance here, resistance here, and now we've taken out this weekly high and could be acting as resistance. So if I was looking for any more upside, I would need that weekly high that is capping price at the moment. If we go down into and take a closer look, you can see rejection, rejection, and today looks like rejection. So if you were looking for higher prices in Bitcoin, I'd wait for a breakout and a retest. Try and use this previous resistance as support to get higher prices in Bitcoin. But as it stands, I am not looking to trade this at the moment. We can add some support and resistance going across the market. So support here, support here, support here, resistance, 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 and possible resistance. So if I was looking to trade this, I'd only be looking to trade it on a sort of day trading basis. We seem to be range bound. We seem to be stuck between these lows here, support, 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 and these highs, resistance, resistance, and resistance. So in here, it's just range bound in my eyes. Possible trade idea for today. Let's take a look at price action. We had an inside day yesterday. This candle. We've left these equal highs. I would rather they go. So one more push up. Looks like we're going down, but one more push up, take out these highs, and then get back below this weekly level of resistance, and then I'd look to sell, only to take out previous daily lows. Not looking for really a home run in day trading. So let's go down into the H1 time frame. See if we can add a little bit more structure. We can. We'll take Monday's low. That's holding up the market at the moment. Support, support, support. If we come down, bounce one more time, take out these equal highs, Tuesday's high, then get back below, break this structure, get back below that weekly high, which is acting as resistance here. Then I would look to sell, maybe take out Wednesday's high, or Wednesday's low, sorry, and then maybe Tuesday's low. So yeah, that's my thinking on Bitcoin at the moment, on the sidelines. But yeah, prepared for either way. If you get a strong push, then look to get in long on in the retest, or what I would prefer is come up, take these highs, reject, get back below, and then look to sell. Any trades I'll take a post into the group, but yeah, I'll keep these Bitcoin videos coming daily if anything that I see sets up.